Experiment number 4, layered colors. Tools needed from kit: 1 small test tube, measuring spoon, white polymer crystals from packet number 10, packet 11, which is your coloring agent. Items needed from home: water. Directions. Step 1. Color the white polymer crystals about 2 scoops at a time with paint, just like in experiment 3. A little coloring agent is enough. The more you put, the darker it will be. Scoop the crystals into 1 cup. Take your water and color it with a little bit of your coloring agent. We're going to be doing red and blue alternating. And just a little bit goes a long way. Once you have your paint color, go ahead and add your polymer beads to your paint. After you've made your second paint color, go ahead and add 2 spoonfuls of polymer beads. 1, 2. And stir and watch as they expand. Now that we have our 2 colors of polymer beads, we're going to go ahead and layer them into our small test tube. This is what it looks like when you're done.